Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see how we can use between statement in MySQL. So for that, let's select our database first. Now, let's see our data in our database. For that, just right select, star, from, students. This is the final data we have in our database. Let's take one example. Suppose I want to extract these rows. Before writing some query, remember we want to extract from 102 ID to 107 ID. Okay, but wait a minute. You can do these things with and statement. We already discussed these things before. Let's try to do it with and statement first. Right, select, star, from, students. Put a condition with the help of where statement. Condition is your ID should start from 102 and end with 107. Now you can see, we have solved our question. But we have to solve same problem with between statement. Let's try to do it. For that, just delete this and statement. And write ID, use your between statement, then define your conditions with numbers 102 and 107. So you can see how easy it is. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next videos. Do not forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.